Good day everyone, welcome to my channel BST African Electronic Surgery. So we have another laptop to fix and it's still Saturday. This is the second laptop coming on no display. This is the Lenovo Ideapad 110-15i BR. That's the mode of this Lenovo. The laptop came in as no display. So we do have the charger. What we have to check on the charger, we have to check the voltage to see if we have a working charger. Check on the screen 20 volts, which is fine. So plug in the charger. We do have this flashing charging light. Let's try to power on the laptop. On, and we have the white light, and we have nothing on the screen, you see, and our laptop is still on but no display. So what can be the fault here? Many screws are missing. What can be the fault this time? On that HP, that was a RAM issue. Now we are on this one. What can be the fault this time? The back cover is coming out. Yeah, the back cover is coming out just like that. So we're inside our laptop, and now you know, I was expecting to get like a proper job. Check here, this hard drive is disconnected. Just jump out of the socket. Maybe this laptop fell down. Check the screen ribbon cable. Maybe you can see. Check this screen ribbon cable. It's plugged in one side, but the other side is not plugged in. So what I would do, I'll disconnect the battery, because we don't want to end up fixing like the proper no display job. What I would do, I'll plug in the hard drive. I'll plug in the LVDS screen ribbon cable connector. I'll plug back the battery. And what else I can do, just to prevent such things from happening in the future, I'll put some hot glue here, and on the hard drive, at the back of the hard drive, I'll put some glue, just like that. Just like that. So here I've put little glue. This won't jump again. On the hard drive, I've put some glue. It won't move back again, even if the laptop fell down. So what is left? What is left is to test. That's all what is left. Plug in the charger. We have the flashing light. Probably the battery is too low. You can see this flashing light. Power on the laptop on. And we have picture. You see the Lenovo logo? It's working. And it's loading Windows. So I think the owner of the laptop, I think this laptop died due to mishandling by the owner. Maybe it fell down. It's working fine. Enter. It's working. So I'll stop this video now. You know the importance of basics. If you have display like a half working device, start with the checking the basics. Now we have fixed two laptops. The other one was just the RAM. Now this one, I believe the owner, maybe this laptop died by, it fell down, and the hard drive just jumped out the socket and the screen ribbon cable. That's what I think, based on what we see. So on the charging, plug in 0%. Yeah, the battery is too low, but it's charging. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll try to get proper job in the future. See you on the next one. Bye.